Before you create an account on BeeSwap, tap or believe its claims about earning cryptocurrency, there are a few details you should check first. Stay until the end, because some important warning signs aren't immediately obvious. BeeSwap claims to be a crypto earning platform where users can supposedly mine bees, convert those tokens into USD, and withdraw their earnings every day. It also encourages users to register and participate through referrals, which may sound appealing to people looking for easy online income. But the main question is, can BeeSwap tap actually be trusted, or should you stay away? Let's look at the available trust signals. According to the information used for this review, Scam Detector rates BeeSwap tap only 3 out of 100. That's a very low score and should immediately encourage users to investigate further before submitting personal information or depositing funds. Scam Advisor gives the website a 51 trust score. While that doesn't prove the platform is fraudulent, it also isn't strong enough to establish confidence. With a score like this, it's important to investigate the site's ownership, business transparency, withdrawal records, and independent customer experiences. There's another major issue. Trustpilot currently shows a nulla rating with 0 reviews, including none from the previous 12 months. That means there isn't currently enough independent customer feedback to determine whether users are successfully withdrawing money or facing problems. This is especially important with earning platforms because payout claims can be misleading. Just because your account dashboard displays a balance doesn't necessarily mean that money can actually be withdrawn. Before making a deposit, paying an activation charge, or referring other people, verify genuine withdrawal evidence and carefully review the platform's terms, particularly if you're asked to pay anything upfront. So, what's the verdict? Considering the very low Scam Detector score, moderate Scam Advisor rating, and complete lack of Trustpilot reviews, I would currently classify BeeSwap tap as a high-risk, unverified earning platform, rather than a proven legitimate service. I can't honestly call it a confirmed scam without stronger evidence, but there aren't enough independent trust signals for me to recommend putting money into it. If you still decide to the platform, avoid large deposits. Don't provide unnecessary financial information, and don't consider displayed earnings legitimate until you've successfully completed and verified a real withdrawal. Would you trust BeeSwap tap? Share your experience in the comments, and subscribe for more scam or legit reviews.